Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Housing Part #WP2186443. Whirlpool Housing Part #WP2186443 is a replacement part for Whirlpool dishwashers. It is the housing that holds the dishwasher's motor and pump. Assembly. The housing is made of durable plastic and includes a gasket to ensure a tight seal between the housing and the dishwasher's cabinet. This part is compatible with many Whirlpool models, including DU1055XTPQ3, DU1055XTPQ4, DU1055XTPQ5, DU1055XTPQ6, DU1055XTPQ7, DU1055XTPQ8, and more. This part should be installed by a qualified technician. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement housing for a Whirlpool dishwasher. It does not fix any symptoms, but it is necessary to replace the housing if it is damaged or broken. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the water supply to the appliance. 2. Disconnect the water supply lines from the existing housing. 3. Remove the existing housing from the appliance. 4. Install the new Whirlpool Housing Part #WP2186443 using the included mounting hardware and instructions. 5. Reconnect the water supply lines to the new housing and turn on the water supply to the appliance. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.